Now let's recover videos. Double-click on the icon for installation. And follow the on-screen prompts. Click Finish and the app will open. Now connect your Android phone with the USB cable. To let your Android device successfully detected, you need to enable USB debugging on your Android device. Follow the instructions for your Android version of how to set up USB debugging. Now the device will successfully connect to the computer. Select Files to scan and click Next. The software needs permission to find the deleted files, so click Grant or Allow on the device and click Retry. The device will connect and show this display. Select Videos. Toggle the Select All box to switch between All and None. Then select the desired videos and click Recover. Select the folder for the videos. Click Show in Folder to show the videos. And in the Videos folder will be the videos. When done, click OK.